I think you all are safe and well at your home. Students, we were doing our chapter Nutrition in Animal, and I have explained you that how the step of nutritions are followed in an organism life. For example, the first step we have discussed ingestion, then digestion, then absorption, and after that assimilation, and in the last egestion. Egestion means throwing out the waste from our body. And we were discussing our human digestive system, in which we have discussed till now that the our alimentary canal start from mouth and end up in anus, and we have different organs involved in our digestive tract. The first one is mouth, then food pipe, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and in the last anus. And I have told you the another name of our mouth is buccal cavity, or sometimes we call it as oral cavity. And what is the another name of esophagus? That is food pipe. And I have told you that the digestion of the starch takes place, it starts with our mouth only. If the food is digested, if the food is chewed well inside our mouth, so we can say that 30% of the starch can easily be converted into a simpler sugar such as maltose and dextrin. Okay, and how? As I have told you, the mouth having saliva, teeth, and salivary glands along with tongue. And who release saliva? Our saliva is released by salivary gland, and it contains an enzyme that is called salivary amylase, which help in the digestion of starch. Or we can say 30% of the starch get digested in our mouth if we chew the food well. Okay, that's why it was told to chew food many times, so that the load on stomach will be less for digestion. Then if we talk about tongue, the tongue is due to its muscular nature, it is having the ability to roll at any direction. It help in turn and mixing of food with saliva, and easily it help in chewing also food, and the food transferred to esophagus from mouth with the help of this tongue only. Okay, and our tongue contain some important taste bud. That's why we call our tongue as a sensory organ. One of the sensory organ is tongue, which help in detecting whether the given food is sweet, salt, sour, or bitter in nature. Okay, then I have told you that we have four type of teeth, and there are four type of teeth, as well as we can categorize in another way also. Duration, some at least 20 teeth are there, which are called temporary teeth, and 32 teeth are called permanent teeth. When a child is of age group 6 months to 8 years, then it have 20 milk teeth that grow, and after that these teeth can be replaced by permanent set of teeth. Okay, and they are in number of 32, 16 in each jaw. And I have told you the dental formula also, that is 2 1 2 3. Means we have different type of teeth: incisors, canine, incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. That we will discuss in next session. Okay, now let us discuss now esophagus. What is esophagus? If you see the spelling, O is silent here. Okay, esophagus only is a passage to carry the food from mouth to the stomach, and we can say that there is no digestion of food takes place in our food pipe. The food is only pushed down like a wave like motion caused by contraction and relaxation of our esophagus muscles. Or we can give a name to this wavy movement, that is called peristaltics movement. Okay, and which help in going the food down from food pipe to the stomach. Now come to stomach. What is the shape of stomach? In some book it was written J shape, but you can write C shape also. And it is thick walled, bag like structure. Okay, and the stomach is we can say the widest part of our alimentary canal, as it store food and digest the food with the help of gastric juices secreted by our gastric glands, and this muscular movement is known as churning. The food get churned with the help of this churning produced by gastric juice, and this gastric juice include HCl, the dilute hydrochloric acid, as well as enzyme named as pepsin. So what is the work of pepsin? The pepsin work is to break down the protein into simpler particles. We can say the protein get distributed or simplified into peptone and peptide. Okay, then what is the role of dilute acid? It kills the germs, isn't it? It kills the germs as well as it help in the process of digestion. But the main function of our HCl is that it provide acidic medium for the working of pepsin. The pepsin hormone always work in the presence of dilute HCl. So I think the the last part left, that is mucus. The mucus is the part which escape our stomach wall from the action of this dilute HCl. Okay, so in our stomach we have three important things, that is dilute HCl, then pepsin, and the third one is mucus. So I think this up to stomach the things are clear to you. Rest of the things we will do in our next lecture. So learn it, read it, and if you got any problem, you may ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.